What's up, y'all? So my nephew came to me and asked me to maintenance his freeform locks. And those of you that don't know what freeform locks are, they are locks without foundation. So there's no particular parting, no particular sizing. They just forming however which way one allows them to. Now y'all seen me scratching my head because I'm like, Lord, I don't know what to do. I'm lost here. Please help me guide my way. Baby. Now I'm showing you guys how I created the part here, which I literally had to create a part that was not one there. There were locks in the middle of that part. I had to cut hair. I didn't do too much ripping. I would just grab the scissors and cut what I needed to cut. There go that part. Stay hydrated. When I tell you, this took way longer than I expected. So yeah, the coconut water came in handy. And this is what I mean by no particular sizing, no shape, they just was however, whatever. And this was the outcome. He wanted 2-strand twist, so I 2-strand them as best as I